Howdy, folks. Well, I've been dealing with some cuckoo birds now, and a lot of negativity, you know, lying, deceit, all evil, and I'm not evil, so I'm going to turn that evil into good in a couple seconds here. This is going to be something strange now. We'll just call it cuckoo, baby. This is a D standard tuning. It's all around the F note and the F chord. I'm gonna get mellow with it, I think. I'm not even sure. Looks like I'm getting mellow with it. But if I get rowdy now, I feel like doing the jig, you know what I'm saying? Because I can dance now. Guess I'm not really in a dancing mood, you know. I'm getting kind of mellow. Sometimes when people, you know, all that evil, kind of just like, I don't know, you know. You can turn into good, but it's bad at first no matter what, you know what I'm saying? It's just, it kind of sucks your energy out of you. And I'm getting energy back in me now by playing, you know. Told you it was going to be kind of cuckoo now. Because when you're dealing with cuckoos, it's a deal, you know. Yeah. Ooh. Cuckoo. Doesn't even make sense, you know what I mean? Cuckoo, baby. Yeah. Round number 2 is coming up, folks.